Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about the loading of the executable modules in memory. So let's see how the executables are loaded into memory. The executables or the DLLs are loaded by the loader in virtual address space. This loader is a module of operating system whose work is to find out the image of the executable in the path and load it into the virtual address space. We have discussed about the virtual address space in the previous video. You can visit that video and learn about it. When you create your executable, at that time, linker sets the loading instructions using which the loader loads the executables in memory. By default, the preferred base address for an exe to be loaded in the virtual address space is this much, 0x00400000. This is the hexadecimal value of the address location in physical memory. This is the default address which is set by the linker for your executable. And this is the instruction for the loader as well. Loader uses this instruction to load your exe in this location. Now let us discuss about the import section of the executable. Every executable has an import section. The work of the loader is to parse this import section of the executable. So, the exe loaded in memory has an import section that contains the name of any dynamic link library that this executable will use. There may be number of libraries that an executable might need to use. So, those executables or the libraries which your exe is using, they also need to be loaded into the virtual address space. Loader parses the import section of executable. The information related to the dynamic link libraries which your exe will use is contained in import section, and the loader parses that section and checks the name of the DLL which need to be loaded. Import section only contains the name of the DLL. It does not contain any other information like the path where this DLL need to be searched on. So, the DLL to be imported must be physically present at one of the locations, and these locations are either the current path or any path which is mentioned in the path environment variable. So, the loader parses the import section, and whatever DLLs it need to be loaded, it loads it by finding it in one of these two locations, either in current path or the paths listed in the path environment variable. That's all. Thank you.